Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying requirements. Make sure your PC boots in UEFI, note TPM and Windows build-in settings, and back up critical data. Once done, shut down and keep the power adapter attached. You don't want a BIOS update interrupted. You'll need the correct key for UEFI. Common keys are F2, delete, or ESC, locate it now. Make sure fast startup is disabled in Windows Power Options to prevent inconsistent boot behavior when entering firmware. You will now disable Secure Boot from the UEFI interface. First, restart into Advanced Startup or use the post key to open firmware settings. Once inside UEFI, navigate to Security, Boot, or Authentication. Secure Boot is usually there. Select Secure Boot and change it to Disabled. If an OS type option appears, set it to Other OS to prevent it from re-enabling. Then save changes and exit. Your machine will reboot. Make sure to note any prompts about keys or platform key enrollment, and decline if you want it off. After saving and rebooting, verify the change in Windows. Open system information and confirm Secure Boot state is off. If Windows fails to boot, go back into UEFI and ensure you didn't switch to Legacy/CSM. Revert any unintended boot mode changes. Once verified, make sure drivers and signed bootloaders are compatible. If problems persist, re-enable Secure Boot to restore function, use your backup image, or update the UEFI firmware. Outdated firmware can block changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.